Okay, now let's move on to IELTS speaking part 2. Describe a place where there was a lot of noise.
Last 4 to 5 months ago, we were having our religious festival, which is Eid ul Azha. At this time, we went to cattle market nearby in a place on Pine Avenue. Uh, Pine Avenue, this cattle market was basically established at Pine Avenue Road near Lake City Junction. So this at this time there is lots of which this is a place where lots of noises were heard there were lots of noises of animals, people talking or people talking to each other for they are bargaining for prices about that, and there and nearby there is a another huge retail market which is very famous in our locality named Jalalsons, or I would like to say that it is a another brand. So the people are were busy in shopping for the Eid festival. At this time, basically there are lots of noise in our world, in our lives. This helps. Damages our this damages person uh, daily life. Like so for example, it increases stress among them, or it may disturb people. For example, the elderly
Okay,
people.
thank you. 1 minute 30 seconds. Overall, it's fine. But just try to use a variety of words. Like if the place is noisy, you can describe the type of noise it was, and then the noise is measured in decibels. So if you use vocabulary like related to noise, it can further improve your bench score, right? And as you're talking, connect your ideas together, it'll be better. Like sometimes there is a little laziness in you when you are talking. It sounds a bit lazy. So try to be active and alert when you are speaking. Let's go on. Speaking part 3. Is noise pollution serious in your country?
Yes, noise pollution is very serious in my country because there are lots of things around me. Like especially if I tell you about the automotive industry, like cars are available is everywhere. The bikes are available everywhere, and I would like to furthermore add something more like the noise of people or birds chirping around us, and
Okay, do you like to live in a noisy place?
no, definitely, no. I don't like as nobody wants to live in a noisy world because it helps to increase in a stress level, and people do not concentrate on their work properly. So I would like to say that I do not want to live in a noisy place.
All right. Do you think that cities will become noisier in the future?
In the future, it depends on the variety of technology. As there are lots of in a technological era, there are lots of things that has already demolished. For example, if we talk about the technological, like AI, artificial intelligence has taken over. So the people are very busy in their lives. So and yes, it may be there are lots of noisy because of people having lots of cars with them.
Okay, so try to give clear answer and to the point answer, right? You talked about artificial intelligence, but link it with the topic, right? Properly connect it with the main topic. The topic was like, do you think cities will become noisier in the future? You need to use future tense. Use the language of expectation. It is expected in the foreseeable
All right.
future. It can be seen, something like that, okay? Then you'll get good bench score. So looking at your overall performance, I'm giving you 6.5 generously, but if examiner is strict, you can get 6 as well, okay? Thank you so much.